Think you need a gym, heavy weights, and hours of training to build big arms? Think again. What if I told you that just 2 minutes a day with 2 simple exercises could start transforming your arms? No equipment, no excuses. Stick around till the end, because this short video could be the game changer your arms have been waiting for. Let's start with close grip push-ups. This move targets your triceps, biceps, and chest all at once. It's a powerful compound exercise for building serious arm mass. Place your hands close together, right under your shoulders. Keep your elbows tucked in close to your body, and lower yourself slowly. Controlled movement is the key, not speed. Push through the burn for 30 seconds. If it gets tough, drop to your knees, but don't stop. This will fire up your arms like nothing else. Next up, bodyweight bicep curls. Sounds strange? Trust me, this works. All you need is a towel and a door handle or something sturdy. Wrap the towel around the handle, lean back, and then curl your body forward by pulling with your biceps. Keep your elbows locked in place. Don't swing, just controlled curls using your own body weight. Do this for 30 seconds. It might feel awkward at first, but within a few sessions, you'll feel the difference. That's it. 2 minutes, 2 exercises, and a serious step toward building bigger, stronger arms. If you stay consistent, give this small routine just a few minutes daily, your friends will soon be asking, "Hey, what have you been doing with your arms?" So, what are you waiting for? Drop down, get started, and if this helped, hit that subscribe button, because we're dropping more quick and effective fitness routines just like this one.